Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you all, how did I light this? So I've been continuing this series. I love all the feedback I'm getting. I love everybody's different ideas about how they would have lit something and how they think I did it. So let's take a look at this one. This image here is maybe deceptive. I think I actually talked about this one a while back, so maybe some of you cheated. And it seems like on the first look that there's just a single hard light here, because clearly it's a hard light. We can see the shadows around the nose here, which clearly shows that it's a hard light. But there's actually two lights here. If we notice, and this would be hard to tell, obviously, because you don't know where I'm standing in the whole proportion here, but I'm in close to her, and these lights are very tight. We can see by the fall off how dark it gets right here, how close that light is to her. And when you think about it, the light that's capable of doing this and then falling off that quickly is not lighting this here, right? This is a different light. So in fact, what we have here is two different lights. We have one light that's on her face, which is lighting this. You can see the shadow there. And the other light is actually this shadow and, of course, this one, because the light's kind of coming a little bit more to the front. We can actually see it under her hand, right? Like if this light's lighting her face and we know that it's slightly above her, you can tell by the angle, then how would it light under her hand? Again, deceptive. So what we've got here is a kind of organic looking light that seems like it's really simple, but when I first shot it, I was like, oh, that's way too dark under, like you couldn't see your body, couldn't see your hand. So I said, you know what? We're going to add an extra light, but I put it at the right angle so that it would be deceptive. We don't want things to look overly lit, at least not all the time. In any case, check the description below. You'll find all the links to all the goodness like you normally do. If you like videos like this, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and of course, you could like the video. That'd be great too. I'll talk to you soon.